What's going on, everyone? I'm Dan Lauer with the MarineMax NISSWA sales team, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through our first ever and the all-new 2024 Moomba TYKON. The TYKON is a 24-foot boat and has a dry weight of 5,500 pounds. It comes standard with a 6.2 Raptor 400 engine, 4,500 pounds of factory stock ballast. So this boat has a Flow 3 surf system. It has the same updated dash that you've been familiar with, but what they did unique with this boat is they added these easy to see paddle wheels to help you have control over your wake plate as well as your cruise control. Moomba's always done a great job of allowing you easy access into the boat. Whether it's a spacious walkthrough that they have right here in the middle, or on the sides you have these gator step pads making it extremely easy to enter the boat. So it being a 24-foot boat and with a 102-inch beam, there's still plenty of room inside the boat. We did go with the black vinyl, and you might be thinking this is pretty hot, but with Moomba's patented thermoskin vinyl, it's not something you gotta worry about. With this being such a deep boat, there's literally storage everywhere. There's plenty of cup holders and even spots to put your phone. We have these new Roswell board racks, and it comes with some extra padding for your boards and an adjustable strap to keep everything secure while you're cruising out on the water. Would you look at that? We picked up a passenger just to show you how much room is in the bow of this boat. We appreciate you guys tuning in. Check this boat out online or come see it in our main showroom. And this is a great time of year if you're not into the spearmint to design one for yourself and get ready for 2024 open water season.